beauties, come join me as I do my first ever blow dry on my sister-in-law. So first and first, you want to set your hair dryer to this setting. The red button was on 0 while the black button was on 1. So you go ahead to section the hair, apply your oil or moisturizer and then heat protectant, and then you blow away. This took a while. I know this is not the best blow drying, but I tried my best. So what did you think? It took a while for me to get a hang of it actually, because I tried this method and this was taking so much time before I switched. I finally got a way that I was able to work with. So enjoy the video. So I decided to use the Afro comb attachment for the dryer, and as you can see the attachment is broken, so it wasn't easy either. It was a little bit difficult, but I don't know if this attachment made a difference. I don't think it did. I felt it was not stretching the hair enough, so I think at some point I got rid of it. So after many trials and errors, I was able to work with a process or method that was easy for me. This is it. Blow dry the hair first, then went in with my comb and then passed the hair dryer through. If you get what I'm trying to say, I think it helped a little. And God bless Ellie for making me to use her hair for experiment. So if this is your first time viewing my video, hello, welcome. My name is Faith. You can call me Audrey, and this is Lema Hairs. Here we deal about hair care, DIYs, and hairstyles. So you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post, you'll be the first to get notified. Comment, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any tips and tricks on how to blow dry your hair, please leave it in the comment section. I will really appreciate that. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.